So Adda Veggie is a proprietary blend of pea protein, fiber, and spices. And all you have to do is add a veggie to the mix to make your ground meat alternative. So here's our mix that I've already prepared. And then you can add a vegetable that you've riced or chopped. So here I have riced broccoli, and I'm gonna add it into the mix. Then you just mix it up. Oh, a little bit left. And then you would essentially have your ground meat alternative that you would pan fry like you would in any other ground meat recipe. So you could leave it like this as a crumble and pan fry it and use it in tacos. But you can see that it forms really nicely. So you could you could make a little meatball out of it and then pan fry that. You could also, obviously do burgers. So you can form it into whatever shape you want. We also do kebabs often, so you could form this around a skewer and cook it up. So here I cooked our broccoli burgers. You can see I flipped one of them already and how nicely it browns. So that is the magic of the mix. It is designed to add a nice crisp and chew to veggies and really add some delicious texture. So see, there we go. Look at that beautiful browning. Now I just wanted to show you how versatile the mix is too. So I've made a couple other variations. Here is a crumble we made with mushrooms. So you can use it in tacos or in a bolognese or lasagna. And then here I made meatballs with butternut squash. So we can use a variety of veggies, which is really awesome because if you just have veggies left over in your fridge that you're not sure what to do with, you can toss them in with Adda Veggie and not feel that veggie guilt and reduce your overall produce waste too.